What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use the clone tool in Krita. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you haven't ever installed the Krita before, don't worry, because you can visit this krita.org. And you'll find that this Krita is professional, free and open source painting program, and it will be available for the computer or laptop that has the Windows or Linux or Macintosh operating system, and you can simply download it. And after that you can start to do the installation, and don't worry, because the installation process is quite simple and you can follow the instruction. And after that, this Krita will be officially being installed into your device, and you can simply open it. And after that, kindly wait for the opening process. And for the new user, you will see nothing over here like this. And you can also start the project by clicking this file or open the image. For example, I would like to copy this one or upload this picture. And after that, where the tool of the clone? Well guys, you can find the clone tool on this brush presets. And if you don't find it, don't worry, because you can simply search for it and type clone. And you will see this is the clone tool that we will use, or basically this is the clone brush, if I would like to mention it here. And after you activate it, you will see there are two circles that contain the X and also the regular circle. And also you can adjust the size of it like this. You can adjust the size, which one do you prefer. And for example, I want that this all to be cloned, let's say, into this section. So you can start to focus on the circle that contain the X. And after that, you need to press the control of your keyboard like this and click this one. And you can take off the control, and after that you can start to click this circle that contain the X and click this one, and there you go. The picture of this all will be cloned into this section. And what if I would like to put this all or the image of this all into this section? The same thing guys. You can focus again on the circle that contains the X, put it here, and press the control and click this and take off the control. And after that, you can direct this circle that contains the X into this section. There you go. Maybe the tips is kind of tricky, but after practice over and over again, you will find the pattern to understand how this clone tool works. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.